the concept of entrepreneurism in general. I talk about in my content, I kind of organize my content in three pillars, which I call the personal finance pillar, the entrepreneurship pillar, and the investing pillar. The entrepreneurship pillar is, of course, you would think owning your own business. I think owning your own business, if you can, is beneficial for a variety of reasons, both from an income point of view and a time ownership and management point of view. But some industries are just not easily, it's not easy for you to go open your own business. It's just too big of an undertaking for someone who's not positioned well for that. So I think you can also be entrepreneurial at your job. Really just applying the same tactics that would take to be successful in business, apply those to your job and treat your job as a one client personal services business.